as soon as we backed out, we accidentally hit the garage door.
Can we get there? Can we get there? Oh!
My dad just got a high score and another high score. Make sure you stick to the end of this vlog for a very special announcement. Good Wednesday afternoon, everyone. My mom just texted me a second ago, and she said there's an interesting piece of mail that I just got that may be vlog worthy. So let us find out. The letter. Okay, now you gotta get a picture of it. Okay. I'll show you guys. First thing I noticed, it says Boy Scouts of America. That's always good. This is so legal, I can't really show it on camera, but it's basically my Eagle Scout thing. Mom's a great cameraman. Or camera woman. There it is. Eagle Scout. Samuel. Yay. And the only reason I'm not opening it is because when I open letters, I normally tear them up. And I don't want to tear this one up right now. I don't feel like doing that. March 5th, 2018. By the time this vlog comes out, it's probably going to be March the 10th. But actually, today's the 7th. But that's when this is printed. Eagle Scout. On behalf of the Greater Alabama Council, I would like to congratulate you on reaching Scouting's highest award. Your achievement is one of which you should be proud of as an Eagle Scout. You joined the ranks of a select few scouts who have worked hard to reach this honor. The road has been long and tiresome, but you have made it. Many people have helped you along the way, and join them in wishing you the very best as you continue toward your next objective. Always remember there's a need for all of us to give back to scouting, so many have given us. Stand up and be proud of your accomplishment, for you deserve it. Set new goals so you may continue to reach out and become an even better person. My best wishes to you as you take your place among those who have achieved Scouting's highest rank. Sincerely, J.T. Dabbs III. Alright, it's official now. I got the letter. I'm still working out the ceremony. I've come up with a few more ideas for what I want to do for it, and the date is set. It's going to be May the 6th. Should be really fun. It looks like I have a lot of things planned for that. It's a great piece of news to start off this week's vlog. Okay, it is Friday, and I have not been vlogging much because there's been nothing to vlog about. But that'll change tonight. It is Friday night, and my little sister and my mom have left for the night to go camp out at the Botanical Gardens. And I'm kind of excited and a little emotional about it because it's my little sister's first camp out-ish. They get to bring sleeping pad and stuff like that, so it's gonna be indoors too. It's not an actual camp out, but it's the first night being away, so that should be fun for her. With them being gone for the night, my dad and I get to do some games. Don't know what yet because he didn't mention anything. He just said games, so we'll see if that's online gaming, if it's board gaming. I'll get back to you guys on that. But now it's time to go play some games. Ugh, this lighting is terrible. Anyway, my dad just got home, and we're thinking about going out to an arcade. So one of those places where I could get pizza, and then you can go to the arcade. So we'll go out and do that. Either we'll spend the whole night out there doing arcade games, or we'll come back and do some board games. Don't know yet. We'll just roll with whatever happens. Okay, haven't even left yet, and as soon as we backed out, we accidentally hit the garage door. Okay, great way to start the night. Guys, this is terrible. Can you hear that? You hear how hard he's working out there? He's trying to nail it back into place, because what happened is that metal, this little rubber thing underneath it that seals the gap fell out, and it also bulged out a little bit, which has now caused his shape to be wrong, and now we can't get it back into place. So we're gonna try and figure out to see what we can do. Okay, my dad says he has a plan, and it involves clamps and a screwdriver. I don't know what it is yet, but we're gonna find out soon. Hopefully it works. Well, guess what? Even that didn't work. What my dad said we're gonna do is we're gonna call the people who actually made the thing, the garage door, and get them to repair it. So, oh well. What's this game called again?
Dig Dog.
Dig Dog, alright. And the objective?
To blow up all those guys.
Okay. Nice. You got this? One more.
Get here.
Got him?
That's it.
Wow, that was fast.
Next level. Next level.
Got him.
Oh. Come on in.
Got him. Got him. Oh, look at me.
Look out.
Got him.
Oh, missed him.
Got him.
Oh. That was close.
One more. Man, you're good at this game.
I played it a little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Look out. I see the problem is he's going to try to make a run for it here.
Oh no. Goodness, you're good at this game.
You really don't want to wait for those guys because they'll come blasting you.
Like that?
Yep. Oh. Oh, we got him. Wow.
Nice.
Oh no, that's not where I want to be. Look out.
You got him?
So you can pump him up, but you don't have to finish him necessarily.
Okay. Wow.
Okay. Ha! Yeah, this will be interesting.
Oh. Okay
See,
then.
that's what happens. Oh gosh. That's close. Oh man. Not those guys.
Oh, what are those? What are those?
They are not friendly.
I'm back
Oh
there.
gosh!
No, run.
Oh wow! Okay.
Alright.
Wow, that was close. Oh, I want that. Yep. Because everything stops.
Right.
That was close. That was close. Oh, I want that. Give it to me. No.
Got it.
Can I get there? Get it.
Nice. Oh, now you have to do it twice.
You have to do it twice.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's not so easy anymore.
Savagery.
Oh, and then you have that little turkey that changes it on you,
Oh.
unfortunately.
Go.
Oh, I missed it!
Go.
Oh, okay. Alright, here we go. Can we get there? Alright. Oh! That was close.
I thought he was going to be coming. I knew he
It
would.
looked like it was.
I was just like, oh boy.
Oh, didn't get it. Oh. No! What are you doing? Turkey.
There he is, I'm right. Come on.
Wow. It's getting faster now too. I don't know if you
Oh,
can
it
tell.
is. It is, I can tell.
Yeah. Oh, that was close. That was really close.
It was.
Oh, I'd like to get that if I could. Wasn't a huge help, but a little bit of help. Oh, It's not just the trickiest. Oh!
It's a hard one though.
Yep.
You almost got them all. Oh, it's so great, man!
That turkey!
I know.
Oh boy, I'm just gonna have to take that.
There he is again.
Wow. Oh, that was bad.
Oh gosh.
Oh! I'm running out of ways to handle this right now. I mean, I'm really trying to...
Brute force. Brute force.
Okay, so I'm out of options here. Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh, I jumped into that one.
you got this.
No, I don't.
Yes,
No,
you do.
no, I don't.
Okay.
I got one more life.
One more life, alright.
Oh, and that was
Oh,
that.
well, okay. Look at that.
Oh, wait, do I get going?
Look at that.
Am I still going?
Oh,
I'm still going.
Keep going.
I'm still going.
Keep going, man.
What?
Keep going.
Oh, no, that, okay. Oh, no, no, no.
that.
Hold on. Back it up.
Look at that. Look at the score. You got it.
What? I didn't see it. What is it?
Look. That's your last score. This is your new score.
Okay.
My dad just got a high score and another high score. That's 14,000.
See, now it's...
Okay, I just got back from that. As you can see, it's a lot of fun. Got to enjoy some of the games I had there. I want to go back sometime and get some more footage, but for now, that's all of that footage I can get. But I want to go back soon. Okay, guys, it is Saturday evening. There's that dent that I was talking about. You can kind of see it a little bit. It's not too noticeable here, but when it's down, you can definitely see it. Anyway, I'm working on a little project today. It's supposed to be a little bit of a surprise, but I thought I'd just show you the progress right now. So, video coming soon, hopefully. I hope maybe by the end of next week. I got a little package from Scoutbox. So, let's open this up and see what's inside. You know what? Knife is not the right tool. That's better. Oh wait. There's an opening up here. Never mind that. Oh my gosh. What are these? Oh wait, I think I know what these are. Oh, okay. Alright. Look at these. It's a bunch of Scoutbox cards. These are ambassador cards. If I ever want to tell someone about Scoutbox, I give them one of these. On the back, I will have a special code here that you can use to get $8 off or $9 off your first box. So, I have 100 of these, so I think I'll give away 3 or 5. So, if you're interested, comment below Scoutbox or hashtag Scoutbox, and I'll enter you. If you win, then I will contact you some other way, but for right now, I'll just see what entries I get. So, I'll be giving 3 of these away. Alright, so that'll about wrap it up for this vlog. Now, I just recently hit 50 subscribers on YouTube, so that's pretty big. And since I've done that, I've now launched an Instagram page. Go follow me at SoWilsonVlogs. And there I will post about updates, about the vlogs or upcoming videos, and just other things going on in my life. So it'll be a sort of an inside look about what I'm doing before the vlogs actually come out. But anyway, that's all for now. I'm Sam, and I'll see you next time.